Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be show you how to reset and customize TikTok for you page. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unpin it? So first of all, you have to open your TikTok application, then you have to click on this, and from here you have to clear your all recent searches. So click on clear history, then click on profile and click on this three-line icon to the upper right hand corner and click on settings and privacy and scroll down and click on free up space, and from here you have to clean your cache. So click on clear. After that, go to for you page, and now again click on the search icon, and now you have to search those video you want to watch or you like to watch. So I'm going to search here sad videos. This way you have to search your favorite tags. So after that, go to your for you page and refresh your page, and from here you have to give love react to those videos you want to watch. So I'm giving this one and this one. Now let's see how to remove videos from our for you page. So suppose I don't like this, so I don't want to see these categories videos in my for you page, so I'm going to remove these types of video from my page. So I'm tapping this video, and from here you have to click on not interested. So this is how we can reset and customize our TikTok for you page. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unpin it? Thanks for watching this video.